How to view Chrome downloads on iPhone. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you the latest method to view Chrome downloads on iPhone. So let's dive in. So first, if you want to view the Chrome downloads on your iPhone, you simply have to have Chrome on your iPhones. For that, you have to go to your App Store and download the Chrome app. And once you have your Chrome app, just click it. And now, if you want to see where you have just downloaded the options and you want to see where the download that you just did is, you simply have to click these three dots on the bottom right corner. And it's going to pop up with this interface over here. And now you can see you have this tab over here and you have to scroll to the left side until you find the download option in this tab. And now you can see I have this downloads option on the first, but you'll find it just in this tab. So simply click downloads and it's going to take you to your Chrome files on your iPhone, or you can just go to the files option over here and it's going to bring you to the Chrome page over here. And here you'll find the downloads of your Chrome. And that's how you view Chrome downloads on your iPhone. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video. And if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.